All right, right turn at this traffic light. Okay, off the brake, take your time off the brake to make the turn. Turn the wheel. East New York driving avenue, driving lesson, life with the student, roll back to the left. Okay, take your time. Good, good, good. Okay, we're going straight from here. Good, you're doing good. Any questions, put it ask me, okay? Good, good, good. All right, this is East New York driving lesson. This is East New York, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Beautiful. Good, good, good. Let me get this a bit better. Sorry. Yeah, good, way more better. All right. Keep it going here. We're going straight across. Okay, I'm saying, all right. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Signal the attention. That's good. Okay, is it moving? Good. If it's moving, there's no need to go around it.
Okay.
Amen. Cancel the signal. You're doing good. When you stop, you like to see what? The tire of the car in front of you on the ground, all right?
Okay.
The tire of the car in front of you. You want to see it. You want to see it on the ground. Otherwise, you'll be following too close. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Are you feeling good? All right. Keep going. All right. He's a student. He's doing a wood lesson here. Keep going quick. Keep going. Keep going straight. I mean straight. Keep driving. 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 Okay. Just keep all the way up because this bus gonna do something stupid. Roll up more. Roll up more. Roll up more. Off the brake. Roll up more. Cover the brake. We're just covering it. Okay, we stop right over here. Always forward planning your moves. You do not want to stop exactly at the crosswalk. The bus should have not done that, but they do what they have to do. You know what I mean?
Yes.
But you have to always start. Look at all these things. You see how they're cutting all the way all over?
Yeah.
Okay, this is how they drive here. All right, keep it going here, nice and smooth. Gonna try to cut you off too. You see, there you go. Just like I said. Yep, keep it going. This is New York here, Brooklyn, New York. Driving lessons. You have your road test coming up when?
Friday.
Friday, right?
Yes.
All right, let's get set with confidence. It's a whip test, right? What happened? Why are you shy? We trained to get ready to pass your whip test here. Where would your whip test be?
Oh, it's on
Beverly Wood. There you go. One of the easiest sites here, okay? Keep going straight here. Okay. Roll up more, roll up more, roll up more. When you stop, you want to be able to see the tire of the car in front of you on the ground. If you leave too far, they're gonna try to jump in, of which we don't need. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right. See what the lady earlier cut us off?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep it going here. Folks, anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. This lesson today is on East New York, Brooklyn, New York. Slow down. We're gonna roll up with a nice and smooth stop. Roll up more. Not okay. The stop was too hard. Okay, as you're driving, you're coming at a traffic light. Always pay attention. Now slow down. Pay attention how the traffic is running. When I was coming in, it was already blinking yellow, and the hands was less than 10. You want to forward planning your moves. In real life, you're good to go, but for the test, when the examiners are here, it's not good for them. You cannot take the yellow line. No, you cannot brake hard. That will be problem. You know what I mean? Abrupt working is problem. Plan all your moves as you're driving. Look ahead. We see the light turn green, nice and smooth. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Keep it going. See, you jerk. You can't jerk when you're going off. You don't want that. You want the car to be nice and smooth when you take it off. You cannot be jerking like this. Okay? All right. Take your time. Here we're gonna do parallel parking with this car right over there to the right side. You see it? Yes. Right there, the blue car, right?
Okay.
Signal the parking. Okay. Let's get next to the car.
Okay.
We're gonna stop where? Mirror to mirror.
Yes.
Okay. Mirror to mirror. Okay, now let's talk about this a little bit. When you signal, did you check your mirror right shoulder right before coming over? No, you did not. For the purpose of the road test, whenever you're signaling, you must check the mirrors and shoulders and take action, all right?
Okay.
Now do your parking from here. Keep the signal on, keep the signal up. That's okay. When we're parking, you put your signal up. That's how people behind us know we're parking. Make sense?
Okay.
Now do your thing here. Put into reverse. Okay. Okay. Do what you have to do. Is one full turn to the right. Right over here, okay? Pay attention to the left. Is there any traffic coming on your block?
Yes.
Okay, we do not go if any traffic coming on your block when you're doing your parallel parking, all right?
Okay.
Keep looking at the shoulder left. Let me know when shoulder left. Let me know when it's clear.
Okay.
When it's clear, that's when you're gonna check mirror right, shoulder right, and continue going in with your parking. For the purpose of the wood test. In real life, you could have continued already go with your parking, but for the wood test, the traffic on your block has to be clear. As when your car going to the back, okay, you're stopping here, right?
Yes.
Okay, now look behind you to your right. Let the car go back slow. Off the brake, let the car go back slow.
Okay.
We're not turning the wheel more.
No.
Okay. Let the car go back slow until your mirror here passes the driver tail light. Keep going back. Keep it going back. You want the mirror to completely pass the driver tail light. Okay?
Yes.
Lock the wheel all the way to the left. Lock it. Lock. Okay? Continue to go back until your car comes to a straight line up. Thank you very much. And to drive. And to D. One more turn all the way to your right. Okay, pull up a little bit to make sure the car is straight. Pull up a little bit, pull up a little bit, foot on the brake. Okay, foot on the brake, foot cover the brake. Put into parking. All right, you see your parking? It does not get any better than this. Okay, that's right. Can't get no better than that. But you have to put it together the right way. You know what I'm trying to say? It is. You see how beautiful is this parking?
Yes.
Had you not let the traffic clear on the left side, had you not checked the shoulder, mirror left, shoulder left, they would have still knocked you up for the parking. Because it's the observation is how you put it together. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Remember, and also, you see when you were rolling up?
Yeah.
When you're rolling up, make sure your foot is covering the brake. If you come in this close, your foot is on the accelerator. If we make a mistake, what are we having?
You hit the vehicle in front of
Okay.
you.
All right. Let's pull out from here. Congratulations. That's a beautiful parking. Okay, from leaving the parking, then what should you do? You should go reverse, right? Because you're too close of the car in front of you. You should go reverse.
Okay.
So you can see the tire of the car in front of you on the ground.
Okay.
Okay, put into reverse. Good. Where you look when you're reversing. Okay. Keep looking over your right shoulder. Let the car go back. Okay, you're gonna stop to check forward. Can you see the tire in the ground?
Yes.
Okay, do your thing from here. And to drive. Okay. Okay, now one full turn out left. One full turn out left. Signal your intention out left.
Yes, signal.
Okay, let's go out on the park. Off the brake, let's go. Check the shoulder left. No cars coming?
No.
Keep it going. No cars coming. Now trust me, right? Keep driving. Drive. Drive. Okay. Now merge in into the traffic. Okay. Merge in. Bring the car to your right. Merge on. Don't roll back left. Roll back left. You accelerate too much. Never fully accelerate. Keep going.
Okay.
Never fully accelerate until you have full control of the car. Okay?
Okay.
Let's do a parallel parking with this car right over there. With the van.
Okay.
Drive, drive, drive. You have to drive to get to it, right? Signal up, parking here, yeah? Let's get next to it, leaving room for one person to walk in between your car.
Okay.
When you do a minivan, you don't go as far as mirror to mirror because the van is longer. All right. Do your thing.
Okay.
And reverse, beautiful. One full turn out right. Okay, now do your verification. Folks, like, share, and subscribe. Anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. This is a driving lesson on East New York Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Our test is coming up Friday. We're doing a brush up lesson. Let me know in the comment what your observation, okay? And if you've done your wood test already, let me know when you did your wood test and how many times you took it. I did mine 3 times before I finally passed. I thought I know how to drive until I come to understanding. It's not about driving, it's how they want you to pass through. They want you to drive to pass the test. That's when I was able to pass that wood test. That's what I'm telling all of my students. Not only that you will know how to drive, we have to show you the thing that they're of. You have to know what they're looking for to deliver to their liking in order for you to pass the test. You have clients now?
Yes.
Let's go. That's correct. You see how she's delivering? That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. There you go. Doing your thing. Bring it back a little bit more. Beautiful. Take it from there. That's correct. Beautiful. Continue to go back. And all right, guys. You see how she's looking? That's what they're looking for. All right. Thank you very much. Twice to the right. 1.5. Right and to drive. Okay. And to drive, look what you're doing. Look. And to D. And to D. You put it to N. It says D here. And look, D here. Pull up a little bit. Pull up to make sure we car straight. Beautiful. And to parking. You see what you did now? Your foot covering the brake. You see this? Does not get any better than this. You can do this all day, every day. It will never change this unless you do something different.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Parking is perfect. Let's pull out from here. What do we do when pulling out?
Okay.
That is correct. Whenever you're leaving from the parking spot, what do? You go reverse. So you can see the tire of the car in front of you. Put it in reverse.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to be struggling to pull the car out. Okay?
Oh, that's true. It's
Good.
too close to the
That
wheel.
is correct. Where do we look when you're reversing? Over your right shoulder, let the car go back. Okay, let's stop to check here. Can you see the tire on the ground?
Yes.
Let's go from there and to drive. That's correct. 1 full turn out left. Signal out left. Is any car coming on your left shoulder?
No.
Let's go out. Drive your car. A little bit accelerated. Okay, now get into the traffic. Turn the wheel to the right to get into the traffic. Do not accelerate yet until you got control of your car.
Okay.
We'll back left. Do you have control?
Yes.
Thank you very much. We continue to drive. Going straight across. Folks, like, share, and subscribe. This is, let me know if you want to know the result of a road test on the comment below. I will let you know how that go. Anything you want to say to the viewer, or you good for now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. All right, folks. This has been Pierre Driver School. Until then, keep practicing now. Take care now. Bye-bye.